What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to flip a video using Adobe Premiere Pro. While working on your Premiere project, make sure you can access the Effects Controls window. If it's not visible to you, then head to Window, Effect Controls to toggle it on. From the Effect Controls window, you can adjust the rotation of your video clip, for example by 180 degrees. This will not flip the footage, rather simply rotate it. To flip the video clip, we will have to make use of the Basic 3D effect. In the Effects window, look up Basic 3D and drag and drop the effect onto your video file. A new Basic 3D section will show up in the Effect Controls panel, where you can adjust the swivel and tilt. Change the swivel to 180 degrees to flip the video horizontally, or adjust the tilt to 180 degrees to flip it vertically. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.